rising in the modern times. The psychological problems which has been which has started and come up in a very faster rate in the modern times, such as depression, irritation, and higher rates of divorce, and all those things are actually somehow related to the pollution. And it has a survey done by University of Pennsylvania has showed that the people or the workers who are in habit of traveling a lot, and usually stuck in the traffics, and are habitual of honking of horns, are more of the time they have a irritated behavior, and which leads to the unstable families, and rude kids, and all these things. So they are also an outcome of pollution, but which are not seen in the immediate effect. They are seen over a run of 10 to 20 years. But the thing of pollution, of this aspect of pollution, is actually challenging the very basis of the society.
You gave
Yes,
really good
Ramanuj, I
information, Ramanuj.
agree
But
with you.
we are only talking the direct effect of pollution, but there are some indirect effect of pollution, like because of the pollution in Delhi, Greater Noida has the lockdown has there. So by that, it directly affect on the human life. Because of many teachers lost their job, education is also affected by that, and these are the things which are not directly but indirectly affected by pollution only.
Yes, I agree
Sorry.
with you, Avantika. As Ramanuj said, there is a psychological factor. Air pollution also affect our neuro system, and many doctors work on this, and also do some conclusions and some discussions over that how air pollution affect our neuro system, how people goes in depression state, how people need to take pills against that environmental doesn't affect their system. And so we have to work on the prevention of environmental solution. If we start talking about the prevention of the environmental solution, then there are many preventions, and our government also take many actions to overcome the environmental pollution, like installing many air quality filters in the national capital or in many metro cities to overcome the bad quality of the environment. And the growth of population must be controlled to overcome the environmental pollution. There is one major cause that overpopulation also affect the environmental pollution, and forests should be grown. Everybody should be much aware of